or welcome back to another vlog. So today is June 4, 9:30 a.m. Ayan. So for today's video, I am going to be helping my mom and my auntie to repaint our house. So ayan, napag-isipan kong tulungan sila kasi para content na din sa channel ko, para meron akong ma-upload today. And also, na-inspired ako mag-repaint ng dahil kay Jane C. So, Jane C, if you're watching this vlog, shout out to you, no? So, ayan. Wait lang. Pupuntahan ko muna sila sa baba kasi nandun na sila. And I'm not going to bring my phone, just this camera. Ayan, ngayon pa lang ako makakalabas sa bahay namin kasi ayoko talagang lumabas. So hot. Ang kalat. So they are now starting to paint the grills to chocolate brown while I am repainting this whole room to white.
Tagsa na lang yung mita. Kuya ay.
So yeah, this is what happens if you don't wear long sleeves while painting, or if like you don't wear your old clothes. Okay, so transition to the next house. They are repainting the room, or like, yeah, the bedroom of this house to color white from pastel green, like the old rustic green kind of thing. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Now I'm adding water to the paint mixture since the consistency is kind of thick. The brand of this is Duracoat. I got it for 700 something. It's in the color ivory, and I'm going to start painting our walls yellow or ivory.
Babae, ay sabi na dito sa pamilya ko. Ay, sabi na ako.
Hey guys, so it's now 5 p.m. and tapos na kaming mag-paint. Actually, hindi pa talaga kami tapos sa lahat, pero today is day 1. So yeah, bukas na namin tatapusin. If ever matapos, sana matapos namin bukas. Pero yes, stay positive. See you tomorrow! Hey subscribers, good morning! So today is our day 2 of repainting our house. So ayan. Actually, nandun na sila sa baba. So, ako na lang yung hinihintay nila. And I think naka-start na sila. So, ayan. Kakaligo ko lang. So, pupunta na tayo sa baba. This is what I'm using today. Lovely Cosmetics Water Tint in the shade Ambition. Ito nga lang pala yung suot ko today kasi I'm a painter. Pangbahay lang. But it's okay. At least, diba, bagong ligo tayo. So, ayan, let's go down. Tada! Ayan. Oh! Yeah, baby! Oh my God! Okay, so, this is the close-up. Ito yung pininturahan ko kahapon. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung original. Pipinturahan din namin yan ng brown ulit para maging maganda na siya tingnan. Also this part. So yeah, this is me trying to tie my wet hair, which is, I know it's not advisable, so kids, don't do this at home. Let's go! And again, for documentary purposes only, this is the before. We are already 20% done. So yeah, today I'm gonna be doing the other side. And for the top part of the house, or the second floor, I am not gonna be the one who will paint that because my mom won't allow me, plus it's dangerous. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to paint the walls ivory. And for the inside, this is the living room area. They also started painting the walls ivory or yellow and the ceiling white. So yeah, So for this part, I was kind of struggling because I can't reach the top and we don't have a ladder yet. And I'm also gonna paint that yellow, but I don't know how to set up the camera. But yeah, this is the before and I'll show you guys later the after. Finally, I am done with this side. So we are just gonna paint that chocolate brown. And for this area, I think it's 90% done since I can't reach the top. Then second coating na lang. And also the door, we still have to paint it brown, the coffee brown, I think. Anyways, that's it for today. We have to rest. I'll see you guys tomorrow, day 3. Bye! Hey guys, so today is day 3. First of all, I'm sorry that I wasn't able to do an intro vlog for today because I was kind of feeling lazy. Plus, yeah, I'm going to climb up the ladder since they are scared of heights. And I'm going to paint the grills chocolate brown and also the top part ivory. So yeah, my mom is the one holding the camera for me. And yeah, we are just talking while I'm painting. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys want to see the outcome or the output of our project, just let me know and I'll do a part 2 of this. I'm actually kind of proud of how it turned out because we didn't hire anybody to do the painting for us, but instead we painted it ourselves. And oh yeah, by the way, that's the door that I'm talking about. So we painted it coffee brown, I think. And our neighbor also gave us some snacks to eat. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Give this video a thumbs up if you want part 2. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you, and I loved him. We could all be the best.